Good afternoon, guys. Today we will discuss about what is a negative stain. Okay, so a negative stain is something which is asked very often in a microbiology practical exams, and it can also be asked in theory exams as short note or as a one-liner question. तो जैसा कि the name suggests कि negative मतलब it is something negative and stain is staining. So what happens is in a negative stain, the organisms or the sample is mixed with a dark color ka stain. Okay, so what the stain will do is it will color the background of the slide. Okay, so background of the slide will be stained, and the organism may also take the stain. Okay, but the capsule which is around the organism does not take up the stain. Okay, so if you have seen a microscope या slide अभी कभी आपने देखा है bacteriology में, so you always see an organism and you can see the background. Okay, so what happens in negative stain is the background of the slide is suppose black. The organism, if it is a bacilli or cocci, it is also black, but if it has a capsule, the capsule will not take up any stain. So just imagine background is stained, organism is stained, and if the capsule which is around the organism does not take up the stain, so it stands out as a contrast. Okay, यानी कि वो एक contrasting color में दिखाई देता है. So that is called as negative stain. So negative stain कहाँ पे use होता है? So if suppose we are suspecting कि an encapsulated organism is present in a sample, या फिर you want to see inspect a capsule of an organism, in that cases negative stain is used. For example, suppose a patient, HIV का patient is suffering from meningitis and we are suspecting Cryptococcus, which is a fungus in this. So a CSF sample is taken, it is mixed with India ink which is black in color, then it is seen under the microscope. Now Cryptococcus neoformans is a capsule producing organism. It is a yeast which produces a big capsule. So if in the CSF a Cryptococcus neoformans is present, so the organism or the yeast will take up the stain, the background will take up the stain, but the capsule will not take up the stain. So in a black color ka background, if you see some a white color ka this big capsule, so that is positive for capsulated organism. So with this a few side questions can be asked, like what are the examples of negative stain. So you can tell India ink stain, nigrosin stain, या फिर serum eosin stain. So serum eosin stain is reddish in color, nigrosin and India ink are blackish in color. Then someone may ask you what are the examples of capsulated organisms. So you can tell Cryptococcus neoformans as a fungus, it is capsulated. Apart from that, few bacterial organisms which are capsulated, examples are Streptococcus pneumoniae, Neisseria meningitidis, Haemophilus influenzae, Bacillus anthracis. So these are some of the examples of capsulated organisms. So I hope you have learned what is a negative stain and what are the uses of it. So thank you and goodbye. And if you want me to discuss any other topics, kindly go to the comment box and please comment. Thank you.